With Jumpseller, you can create product pages with pictures, details, and variants for your online store. In this video, we'll show you how. In your admin panel, go to Products and click All Products. After clicking on Add Product, you can begin customizing your first product. Start by setting its name and the categories which it will be a part of. If you don't have any categories or want to create new ones, click Add Category. Here, you can name your category and choose if you want it to be a subcategory to another category you already have. Next, you can write down the description of your product and add HTML, images, videos, tables, or lists if you want. There are 3 possible statuses for your product. Available, your product is available in the store and can be added to the cart. Not available, your product is visible in the store, but it isn't available to be purchased. This status is useful if a product ran out of stock and you need time to replenish it, but you don't want to lose sales leads. Disabled, your product is not displayed in the store. This is useful in case you sell seasonal products, for example, that are sold only during the Christmas season, and you don't want to promote them during the rest of the year. Besides that, there's an option to tag your product as featured, making them prominently displayed on your website, for example, in your homepage slideshow. Moving on to the Images section, the first image on the top left corner is used as the main image. If you want to select a new main image, upload it and then just drag and drop it to the first position from left to right. You can also reorder the images in the image list. In the Properties section, you can set the price of the product, define the stock. If you tick the box, it will set an infinite number, and add a stock keeping unit. You can also add the brand and barcode of your product and set the Google product category. This information is used for Google Shopping and Facebook integrations. As for the shipping section, it allows you to set the package format, weight, width, height, and length. To add further details to your product, you can use the product options to add color, size, and material variations. These will generate variants for which you can set specific properties like SKU, price, stock, weight. You can edit and sort the product options variations you created by clicking on the Edit Sort button and dragging each option to your preferred position. If you want to sell digital products such as music, software, and ebooks, among others, tick the respective box. There is also the possibility of adding custom fields to your product. These custom fields can be shared across all the products. To create a new custom field, click Manage Custom Fields and then select the type of field you want. It can be an input field, a text area, or a select list. If you have additional information about a product on an external file, for example in a PDF, you can upload it to the Attachment section and it will appear as a downloadable option on the product page. Finally, in the last section, you can edit the information that will appear on the search engine results page by clicking Enable Edition. You can set the page title, meta description, and the URL of the product page itself. To find more information about Jumpseller, go to jumpseller.com/support or subscribe to the Jumpseller YouTube channel.